Today we will see how to install R software and also the installation of R Studio. So, in the Google search menu you can just type as R project for statistical computing, or you can just write R software, it will show the result R project for the statistical computing. So, you can just click on this. So, here it will be option called as download R. So, you can just click on download R. You can select your the cloud through the different countries we have the website, or you can just select 0 cloud also. So, you can go to India. So, here you can see here download R for Windows. If you have Linux or Mac OS also you can download. So, at present I am having system Windows 11. So, install R for first time. So, it will be downloading. Meanwhile, you can search as R Studio. So, you can scroll down, here it is R Studio desktop open source license, you can just click on download. So, if you have old version of Windows, there will be you have to download the old version of this R Studio. So, this is more than Windows 10. So, you can download here. So, what you have to do? You have to download both the softwares, but you have to install first one is R software. So, we will see how the little bit difference is there. Let it be download. Yeah, R for Windows 4.2, this is a recent version, English. Next, you can, if you have 32 bit you can just skip these 64 bit files. Specify yes or no for startup option. So, no default. So, it is a folder as name as R. Create desktop, no, I do not want R. Okay. Next, it will take few seconds. Yeah, so it is finished. Now, we can search here R. R 4.21. You can just click on this. You can see here one small window came, that is called as R console. You can see here R is collaborative project with the many contributors. So, this is what R package. So, you can see the how it looks. So, there are different packages are there, we will go in further. So, just we will install the R Studio and then we will see what is the difference between these two. So, here also R Studio is downloaded. Yeah, yes. Next. So, we have to use R Studio only. It will give a little bit better look than the R console or R original software. So, let us see, still it is installing. Yeah, so it is also RStudio also installed. So let us see what is the difference. So you can search here RStudio. So it will came have RStudio app. Yeah, it is open. So based on your system performance, it will take time to load. So you can see here there are different windows are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here plots are there, packages are there. So here also R version 4.21. So this is what it uses, the R software. So RStudio required R software. So you have to install R software first, then you have to use RStudio. So this is how you have to install the R and RStudio.